Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make a Reuleaux triangle. It's a shape with a constant width. If you guys aren't familiar with what they are, basically it's the imposter of a sphere. it can roll because everything has a constant diameter and distance away from each other. Alright, so to get started, we're going to open a new part. Alright, so once your part is open, you're going to go to the top plane and sketch. From here, you're going to select the polygon tool. Make sure your parameters, the number of sides, you have 3 sides. This is going to make us a triangle. So from here, we're going to make our triangle. Go to Smart Dimensions, click the bottom, the base of it, and we're going to make this 50. Click OK. Right click the bottom base and click this up and down line. This is going to make sure it stays vertical. From here, click yes, exit the sketch, and click sketch on the front plane. From here, we're going to make this a little bit larger. Take the center line, straight up, make sure it's vertical, and then straight back down. From here, you can click escape to deselect the line, smart dimension. We're going to make this 50 millimeters, and it should bring it down so it's even. From here you can click check, and we're going to click the point tool, select the top of the triangle, and fix said point. Click OK, and then next we're going to trim entities and get rid of 2 lines. From here you're going to click the circle tool, set the origin at the point, and stretch it all the way to here. The radius should be 50. And here you can see your circle. From here, you're going to select line and go from the top of said circle all the way to the bottom. Make sure it's centered. Next, you're going to click trim entities once again and get rid of the right half of your circle. Next, we're going to go to features, revolve boss base, select the midpoint line we just had as our axis, click OK, and now we kind of have this spherical ball. From here you can go to set view and select hidden lines visible, so you're not going to be working around like a solid shape the whole time. Okay, and now we're going to go back to sketch on that front plane we had earlier. We're going to select the circle tool once again, except we're going to select the end of this line instead of the point we had earlier. We're going to drag it out to a radius of 50. Mine's already set there. If not, you can click smart dimension. From here, we're going to select that midpoint line once again, go from the top all the way down to the bottom in the center, and then we're going to trim the right side of said circle. We're going to go to revolve boss base, select this line, and make sure your merge results are off, or else you're going to get something that's not right. So now we have 2 circles essentially. So from here, we're going to click the down arrow on the revolve and make your sketch visible. Next, you're going to click reference geometry and make the center line of the sketch circle your axis. Click OK. Next, we're going to go to circular pattern, make the instances 3. The direction is going to be 360, and instead of features and faces, we're going to select bodies. After that, we're going to select the second circle that we made, and you're going to get kind of these rings in the center. We're going to click OK, and now you've got this funky looking hydrogen atom-esque circle. So from here, we are going to look up search commands. We're going to go combine, click OK, and this part's kind of tricky. You basically have to select each circle. So this is what they all look like, and your operation type, make sure it says common, not add, or else they're going to add kind of funky. And now you have your Reuleaux triangle. So we're going to go ahead and select this, hide it, hide this one, and then you can change your view back to just the standard view. You can right click that again, hide that, and now we have our whole thing. If you want to change your material, you can just right click here edit material, and make it any of these that you want. I'll make mine gray cast iron just because why not. And now mine looks like this. So if you guys want to, you can save this as an STL file and then 3D print it, or you can even just save it as a SolidWorks file. It's completely up to you, but this is a pretty cool project, I thought. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below in the comment section.